Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to repair and fix the Steam Network file transfer feature when your game install or download method isn't working. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, look at the upper left corner of the screen and click on Steam. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up your Steam settings panel where you can configure various features and preferences. In the left panel of the settings window, click on Storage. This section manages where your games are installed and helps you monitor your available disk space. At the top of this section, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select the local drive where you're installing your games. Make sure this drive is working properly and has enough free space to accommodate your game installations, as insufficient storage can cause transfer issues. Now, in that same left panel, click on Downloads. This section controls how Steam handles your game downloads and transfers. Scroll down until you find the Clear Download Cache option. Right beside it, click the Clear Cache button. A confirmation prompt will appear, so go ahead and click Confirm. Clearing your download cache removes temporary files that might be causing conflicts with the network transfer feature and can resolve many download-related issues. Next, look for the option called Game File Transfer over Local Network. Right beside it, toggle this feature on. This is the core setting that enables Steam to transfer game files between computers on the same network. Once you toggle it on, you'll notice a new option appears below it that says Allow transfers from this device too. Right beside it, click the drop-down menu. You'll see two options here, Steam Friends and Anyone. If you select Steam Friends, it allows transfers only from Steam accounts that are on your friends list, which is more secure. If you select Anyone, it allows transfers from any Steam user on the same local network, giving you more flexibility but less control over who can access your files. Now we need to make sure Windows Firewall isn't blocking Steam's network features. In the bottom left corner of your screen, click the search bar and type Windows Defender Firewall. From the search results, click on Windows Defender Firewall Apps. This will open the firewall settings window. In the left panel, click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. This section shows all the applications that have permission to communicate through your firewall. Scroll down through the list until you find Steam and Steam Web Helper. Check if both of these entries are marked in the private and public columns. If they're not checked, you'll need to enable them. In the upper right corner, click Change Settings to unlock the list. Now make sure to check both the private and public boxes for Steam and Steam Web Helper. Once you've done that, click OK at the bottom right to save your changes. After completing these steps, restart Steam on both computers. This ensures all the new settings take effect properly. If the network file transfer still doesn't work after restarting, make sure both computers are connected to the same local network or router. Also ensure that Steam is running and you're logged in on both computers, as the transfer feature only works when Steam is active on both devices. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.